Applying shadow effect. You can apply different types of shadow effect on shapes and text. To apply shadow effect on text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text on which you want to apply shadow effect. Step 2. Click on Shape Format tab. Step 3. Click on the Text Effects command of the word Art Styles group. A drop-down menu appears with 6 categories of effects, which are Shadow Reflection, Glow Bevel, 3D Rotation and Transform. Step 4. Hover the mouse over the shadow category. Step 5. A list with various shadow effects appears. Select the shadow effect which you want to apply. After viewing the preview, you can click on the effect. The effect will apply.